Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through 5 different methods to create wall openings in Revit. These methods will help you create openings of all shapes and sizes. Method 1, Wall Opening by Edit Profile. Method 2, Wall Opening by Default Opening Tool. Method 3, Using Door/Window Opening Family. Method 4, Model in Place. Method 5, Placing a Void Family. These methods offer flexibility depending on the complexity and reusability of the openings you need in your project. Let's dive in and make this process easy to follow. Method 1, Wall Opening by Edit Profile. To start, let's begin with the first method, editing the wall profile. First, select the wall you want to work with. Once selected, go to the Edit Profile option in the Properties bar. This will allow you to edit the wall's shape. When you click on Edit Sketch, it takes you into sketch mode where you can define your opening. You might see a warning about lines overlapping, but go ahead and ignore that warning for now and see what happens. Click Finish Sketch. If you need to make changes later, just select the wall again, go back into Edit Profile. And check if the loop is closed. If not, select Align and press Tab again to verify. After confirming everything looks good, you can finish the sketch and see your updated wall opening. If you want to reset the wall to its original shape, you can always use the Reset Profile tool. Method 2, Wall Opening Tool. The second method involves using the default wall opening tool in Revit. To do this, go to the Architecture tab and under Openings, select the default wall opening tool. Now you can place the opening on your wall. You can do this in both 3D and elevation views. Once you place the opening, you can easily adjust its size by using the arrows, or you can fine-tune it by modifying the dimensions. In Elevation View, you can adjust the size more precisely by dragging the arrows or changing the dimensions. Method 3, Using Door/Window Opening Family. To start, first check if the door and window opening family is already loaded in the model. Otherwise, load the families that fit your needs. Once the family is loaded, go to the Component tool, select Place a Component, and place the door opening on your wall. You will see different door sizes, or you can duplicate the size as per your requirement. Adjust the base offset. In the same way, you will load a window family. After placing the family, you can modify the size by adjusting the dimensions in the Properties panel. Additionally, you can customize the family itself to create a new shape or size that suits your design. Also, you can copy opening families as many times as you need. Method 4. Model in place. This method gives you complete freedom to create any shape you want. Start by going to the Components tab and selecting Model in Place. Choose Walls as the category and give the model a name. Once you're in sketch mode, select Void Forms, and then choose Void Extrusion. Pick a plane and begin sketching your desired shape. Once you finish the sketch, use the Cut Geometry tool to cut through the wall with the void. Simply select the void and the wall, and click Finish Model. Keep in mind, if you try to copy this model, Revit won't allow it. However, if you just want to modify the existing sketch, you can do so at any time and adjust the opening void length with the arrow. For rectangular openings, copying works fine, but for any other shapes, you'll need to create a new model in place family each time. So, for this, we'll create a void family that is capable of being copied. Method 5. Placing a void family. Finally, let's look at how to create a void family for wall openings. To begin, go to the Families tab and select New. From the default templates, choose Metric Generic Model, Face-Based. This will create a new void family. In the default plan view, create a void extrusion. You can start by sketching a circle, and then give it a radial dimension. Select the dimension and create a parameter name radius. Make sure the parameter is set to instance so you can adjust the size individually for each instance. Group under Dimensions and select OK. Now finish the model. Once the void family is complete, use the Cut Geometry tool to cut the wall with the void extrusion. Next, go to 3D View and you can adjust the height of the opening by dragging the arrows up and down. You can also go back to Plan View. Select a reference plane, then draw planes on all 4 sides. Adjust the distance from the center of the void to match the radius distance. Finally, make all the distances equal using equal constraints. Now, go to the Properties and change the radius value. You should see the changes reflected in both the plan and 3D views. Try changing it again to ensure the updates are being reflected. Once done, click OK. Once everything is set, save your family and load it into the project. Place the void family on the wall. Since it's a parametric family, you can copy this family as many times as you like. If you want to change the size, just modify the radius in the Properties panel, and it will only change that instance. Other instances will remain the same. You can even use this same void family for floor openings since it's a face-based family. Simply use the CS Copy Similar tool and place it on the floor. And that's a wrap on how to create wall openings in Revit. As you can see, there are multiple ways to approach this task, and now you know how to create wall openings for any shape or size you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Revit tips and tricks. See you in the next video.